This is the Iowa Weather Report for Wednesday, April 22nd, 2015. And now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. Big upper level feature over the Great Lakes in western Ontario. And that's that cold air aloft that's just bringing some cold air down from Canada across the plains and into the Great Lakes in the upper Midwest. It's going to keep the cold air around. It won't be as blustery today as it was yesterday and on Monday, but temperatures will be still in the 50s to near 60 in our southern counties, with mainly sunny skies, maybe still some more clouds over in the northeastern counties, but sunshine should be in full force here as we go into Thursday, and that should boost temperatures up even slightly into the 50s, mid to upper 50s, to maybe some low to mid 60s in our far southwestern counties of the state. You'll see a storm system is going to be taking shape as we move into Friday, and the GFS is a little more rambunctious with this storm again, so it's kind of wavering in between what we saw yesterday and what we see now. So we could see a little bit of rain here Friday in our western counties into Friday night and Saturday in the rest of the state. We're still kind of trending toward the southern half having the better chance of any rainfall than the northern half, but all areas could see at least some rain. Temperatures will be held down into the 50s here on Friday and especially Saturday. Sunday will be the best of the weekend days with plenty of sunshine around, as one system will be off to our east, another will be off to our west, and temperatures in the mid to upper 50s to the 60s across the state at this point. Then we go into Monday. The next storm system is going to be approaching. It's going to bring us some showers and maybe a thunderstorm here on Monday, and this will last even into Tuesday as well, but could squeak out some dry periods in the eastern counties on Monday. But Tuesday looks to be rather wet, somewhat raw, especially in the western counties as cold air is seeping in from Canada once again. And temperatures may be in the 50s, maybe near 60 in our southeastern counties. And then as you see here, we go to next Wednesday, the system begins to carve out a big trough across the east, and it begins to stall over the eastern part of the country, and that means this system, still fairly close, will still be spinning around, so we could still see some precipitation at that point. That means temperatures with some cold air aloft, highs may not even get out of the 40s, and some of the rain could be mixed with a little bit of graupel. If that happens, we'll watch it. Going into the extended period around the 3rd of May, we don't have these big, huge troughs anymore. We just have a small trough axis moving off the east coast, bit of a ridge over the plain states, a couple of systems in the northeast Pacific into the Gulf of Alaska. Winds out of the southwest, temperatures likely back up at or above seasonal levels, maybe into the 70s at that point. System close at hand, maybe there will be an isolated shower or storm in the plains, but it's going to be few and far between. But another system around the 7th, at the end of the forecast, the 7th of May, you can see a disturbance moving out of the Rockies into the high plains. That could spark off a few showers and thunderstorms. Another system out in the Pacific, another off into the Canadian Maritimes. You'll see that with this system around here could get a little bit active as we go into the month of May, and the temperatures will be back into the 70s at that point, so we have plenty of good times ahead, but we just have a couple of cold days in between then. And speaking of now, the satellite image from last evening showed the upper level feature over the Great Lakes with a lot of low and mid-level clouds there, a couple of showers on southern Florida and also across the west, but fairly dry elsewhere across the country. But that's going to change, especially in the south. Watch warning map was dead quiet across the country. Freeze warning in South Dakota, a little bit of winter weather up in the UP of Michigan. But pretty much across the country, it's very quiet. However, it's not going to stay that way over the next couple of days, because the QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock, shows a lot of precipitation across Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, about 2 to 3 inches. Around here, maybe about a quarter to a half an inch with some rain then.